like, for example, it's a table and it is getting gender and event and some other fields. So for example, I want to change this column based or this column based on event, for example. So if I say that I go to conditional formatting and I want to have like, if it is Black Friday, I want to say if it is, and I think it has to be exactly the case should be matching, then it should make my font as red and new. If it is Christmas, and spelling should be accurate, I think, then it should make it green, something like that. And if I do okay, then it will change it. So similarly, based on the same condition, I want to change my shipping and unit price as well. So let's do, so for example, if I do this conditional formatting for font, now I have to go again and I have to apply the same rule for that. So I go here and I say events. So I have to choose this, and again the text it is asking. So if it is Black Friday, so see, I have to write it down all again. So it is red, and for the other condition it will be. So it will be changing it according to this condition, but then I have to apply it and I have to write it down all over again for everything. So there's a shortcut for that. If I go to any uh, place here and I write down my measure, which I have written down, then it is for switch selected value. So if the event is Black Friday, then I want it red. If it is Christmas, then it is green or black, and I keep on adding. So for example, now this is my measure. If I click here and if I go to total price, again I go to conditional formatting and I want to change the font color. Here I have to go to field value, and here I can search for the measure which I have saved here. And you can see that it has brought up that in here. So even if I go to shipping method, I can do the same. And say instead of font color, I want to change a background color, applying the same rules. So I go to field value. Again, I look for that measure. And if I apply that, you can see that based on these conditions, it has changed the background color. So this is how it will be very easier. Even if you have any visual here, you can change. I want to change the bars based on that. So I go here, I click on bars, and then for color, I click on function. And same field value, then you have to look for color. And then you can see. And all the color, if I want to get rid of these colors and I want to apply something else, all you need to change is you can make it like, you can say blue, and that's it. And it will change it here. So I found it really cool and easier way.